Thank you very much for your short essay. I think you have discussed that in the group and you come up with this idea of writing the essay. Now, your English are really good. There is a room for improvement for essay organization and the focus of uh, the text. Yeah. Now, I would like to talk slowly, bit by bit, of this um, essay. Yeah. So you said globalization is condition occur sampai di sini, that's okay. Globalization itself affect the market, three commodities, labor and debt. The easiest factor to globalize is asset and debt. Okay, as they do not dan seterusnya. Ya, oke. Agak nggak jelas dari intronya ini kalian mau ngomong apa sih? Karena di sini aku nangkepnya you are going to talk about asset and debt. Ini. Ya, itu aku nangkepnya. Tapi the idea of a system-wide international measure to slow down ini apa ini kaitannya kemana gitu? Karena satu paragraf ini hanya dua kalimat. Dua kalimat ini nyambungnya kemana? Gitu kan? Terus tiba-tiba, so we know that there were so many examples. Ya, so many examples-nya mana? Of transaction between countries. Problematic. Terus, you hope to reduce dan seterusnya. Gitu ya. Are you going to talk about the transaction? Kalau ya, transaction-nya kenapa gitu? So when you read the text, you understand the text for sure. Tapi untuk university level, it's not just understanding the text. You should be able to get the idea. Poinnya apa gitu? Ini poinnya kan nggak jelas. Ya, itu tentang organisasi. Structure juga harus hati-hati. Ini occurs, ini keliru. Each, kalau sudah each, lalu di sini singular. Ini masih plural, ada dua. Ya, perhatikan itu baik-baik. Tapi organisasi itu yang penting. Need high order thinking, need a discussion. Gitu. Oleh karena itu, saya nyuruhnya di kelompok, nggak mungkin sendiri. Look easy, it is not. Karena membaca teks, terus mikir, merangkum, berpikir, terus menuangkan lagi. Ya, that's need high order thinking. Not just understanding, full stop. In a high school level, yes. You understand the text. In general, that's good. You can memorize, that's good. But in the university level, it's different. Gitu. Ya, akan saya kasih contoh dua kerjaan kelompok lain. Ya, ini contoh dari kelompok lain. Globalization, the process of, dan seterusnya, sampai sini is an intro. It's a pleasure or fear, gitu kan. Terus dia bilang, in economic sphere, people can face wider opportunities and competition. In market, for instance. Very good. Terus dia bilang, globalization affects market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Yes. Then, this group said, the third type of market, finance, will be the subject of this discussion. So, this group is going to take finance only and discuss the finance from the text gitu. Contohnya, terus dia bilang finance is the easiest to globalize because dijelaskan sama dia. Nah, kelemahan dari kelompok ini harusnya dijelaskan lagi sini. Why that's the easiest way? Karena dia tiba-tiba mengkontraskan di sini. Itu. Terus dia bilang, globalization of finance has long histories under what we know today. Terus dia jabarkan dengan beberapa contohnya. Terus dia bilang, as globalization continues, floating rates are common nowadays. Terus dia jelaskan. gitu. So this group berpikir keras apa yang mau dia tulis gitu, reaksi dia terhadap teks itu, the response to the text gitu. Itu satu contoh. Akan saya kasih contoh satu lagi. Ya, kelompok lain bilang intronya hampir sama. Economic globalization is the increase of economic integration, independence of national economies, dan seterusnya. Oke, across border. Itu one part of globalization of the economy is the financial sector. Oke, dia kecilin lagi. In the development of globalization in the final sector had its development journey. Tahapannya stage described below. Ini harusnya tahapannya ini harusnya bahasa Inggris gitu ya. So, to come up with this intro, good intro, perlu mikir. Itu yang harus dilatih, itu bukan bahasa Inggrisnya. Your English is already good, you study English from SMP, maybe from SD, SMP, SMA. Ya. But the thinking, the standard sedikit beda. Ya, makanya dia come up dengan itu. Terus dia jelaskan first period, jelaskan satu paragraf. Second period, dia jelaskan satu paragraf. The third period, dia jelaskan. The fourth, dia jelaskan. Gitu. Ya. Jadi kelihatan ya alurnya. I know it's not easy, but you have to try it. Nah, sekarang tugas berikut, tidak usah di rewrite, nggak perlu menulis ulang, karena kan menulis ulang udah nggak mikir lagi. Sekarang dicoba dengan teks yang lain, yang diambil dari psikologi. Okay, now let's go to psikologi, then click preparation material for final test, text for essay writing, diklik, terus coba dibaca deh yang essay transportation, yang sudah pernah dibahas di kelas sih. Then globalization of the world economy, jangan ditulis ulang. Oke, pilih salah satu dari sini yang kalian merasa nyaman, terus dicoba ditulis ulang dalam essay seperti kelemahan-kelemahan yang sudah saya bandingkan dengan punya teman yang lain tadi. Gitu, ditulis ulang, email me, then I will give you another feedback. Gitu ya. Jadi, tapi didiskusikan dulu tentunya. Karena kalau hanya asal-asalan nanti sayang. You wasting your time and you wasting my time. Karena aku perlu 10 menit, mungkin seperempat jam untuk membaca setiap kelompok. Itu yang tidak dilakukan sama dosen lain. Ya. So for this class, I dedicated for this. Jadi tolong serius, think about it, put energy, high order thinking, rewrite, no not rewrite, choose one, and then write an essay, give it to me, email me, then I will give you feedback. Yeah. Thank you very much and looking forward to receiving your artwork. Thank you.